so I kind of fucked up. These are stripped out on each side. So I got time certs at home. I just got to do it. But for the simple facts of coming out and that they're all there, it's all good. I got it.
Is this what it?
Man, check out the motor. Good. Excuse me. Man, I like this car, man. Both of them. Dang. I don't know, man. I might take, man. I'm gonna say, huh? No, I'm talking about. Come through sounding good, y'all. All right. The last little car. Huh? What time is it?
5 minutes to 3.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna walk around and get another little. Get them right here. What's up, man? Y'all got YouTube? Huh? You can tell they don't want to subscribe. My man hogging the road. He got the Benz out. We got my boy out. You see it? He trying to get through. Uh-oh. Oh, he just hit. Okay. Okay. We outside, man. You know I got my bro with me, man. Go ahead and shout your channel out, man. Let them know where they can find you at.
Most active OZ, Oz and some Wizard of Oz, man. Go subscribe, most active, man.
You know it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, he dropping us. He letting it down. Okay. They came out. It looked like the crowd starting to leave. Oh, he lifting it up. Okay. Outside, man. You know, we out here, man. We on the burn.
I know it's gonna be some bullshit. Like, come on now. Like, I already know. Goddamn ADM and you leaving pussy.
Y'all already know, man. My bro finna start a YouTube channel with the Hellcat. We about to get him started on YouTube, y'all. Hold up. What we got right here? Okay. Sound good. Okay. My bro right here, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all take a good look at my bro right here. Y'all make sure y'all take a good look at my bro. This is Hellcat. He just took delivery of this mug. YouTube channel coming.
What we call it?
We gotta come up with something.
SRT Dan.
We gotta become something.
SRT Dan.
No, Hellcat. It gotta be Hellcat. Oh, we got my boy right here. Look at him. Look at my boy on the skateboard. Oh, he getting that footage. We outside, man. They done pulled up.
That's a big one. Stay near that dog.
Where? Holy shit! God damn! The fuck? That dog remind me of damn, is that Hawk, one of Hawk babies? You know who? Yeah, the dog Hawk, is that one of his babies? I'm scared, man. Shit. Hey, ain't nobody car here high enough either. Holy shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! Holy shit! Damn! That big motherfucker tried to come out the window. Damn! He thought you was a Scooby snack. You so little, he thought you was a Scooby snack or some shit. God damn! Damn, he thought you was a Scooby snack. He thought you was a Scooby snack.
Oh shit.
I thought it was over for you.
Cause you ain't out running that big motherfucker.
Hell no.
Best thing I do is jump on one of these cars. I'll pay for it.
God damn. Man, y'all see my bro, Lil BTV almost just got ate up by the big ass. I don't know what kind of dog it was, but the dog thought Lil BTV was a Scooby snack. Lil B.
Hey, I dropped the whole camera down. That motherfucker came.
Bro, I thought he came through that bitch.
He was, man. He was. I seen my life flash for my eyes. I ain't gonna lie.
I thought he came through that bitch. That white one was just sitting there.
He was chilling. He knew he ain't got to do that.
I thought he was through there, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I was finna blamp his ass down for you.
Hey, that dog gonna eat that little ass butt.
I was gonna blamp his ass. He was gonna get mad in the mother.
Hey, it gonna piss him off.
He gonna take that bullet and keep on coming.
Hell yeah. God damn. Damn, Lil B. I just seen, man, I got scared to the mall too.
I thought he was friendly, but then he got over there.
Lil B, we got another Daytona over there. What do you got under here?
He was chilling the whole time. The whole time.
What's up, man? Y'all woollying these things or what, man? Okay.
I have, yeah.
You look like you that daredevil. Oh yeah, you got a GoPro. You doing some shit. Lil B.
He got the two of his.
We got one over here with a GoPro, so you know he doing some shit. You got YouTube, don't you?
Yeah, you got YouTube.
Come on, you subscribe up. You subscribe to my channel. I'm finna subscribe to yours. Let's get it. What's up? You got YouTube? Man, still subscribe, man. Yep. All right. Hold up, man. my car. The steering wheel take off my shit. They trying to blow flames. Oh, look. Hey. Bro, I'm finna.
You on Lizzo?
Man,
Now Louisville.
Now the 350Z people, they went to Louisville.
look at my boy.
Next time we gotta drop too short today, man.
Yeah, man. Look at my boy, y'all. Yeah, man. Look at my boy. My boy out here looking good.
Make sure I get.
Y'all
Who is that, Stink? I bet you don't know.
What?
Who is that? Who is that? Don't look at the nut. No, who is that? Who is this, Stink? Who you know?
17.
Just a little something, not too much, not too much. Okay. All right.
Oh, when you go that way?
Looks like you going around.
Oh. Oh, he won't. Hey, Lil B. Next time, respect. Lil B. Respect this gangster. He said 717. Oh. Let's see what he got. Hold on. He finna hit the cat? Let me see if he finna hit the cat, man. Little BB Elder. Oh. Hold on, man. He hit the cat.
That motherfucker supercharged.
That motherfucker down
Hey.
there went.
I got scared, Stink. I said, I'm finna have to jump back over this
That
motherfucker.
motherfucker. I might have to give me a cat.
Hey, you hear that whine?
Hell yeah.
He got some work in that bitch.
Oh, shit. This car's never seen a mechanic shop. Every nut, bolt, screw, gasket, everything. I do myself.
Dang.
So, it's easy. And these younger dudes, they think the C80. So, we actually work on our cars, sir. We actually work on our cars. And you know I'm not playing when I say that. We work on our cars, bro.
That's more
I
fun.
literally did an oil change on this like today. MR2.
Come through sounding good, y'all. All right. Y'all already know we still outside. It's your boy Stank 815. We lit the crowd out, the people out. They showing love. They got the big lifted up. Ooh, the Mopar in it. The Mopar, the GMC, and the Mustang right there. They outside, man. They got these cars on. What's up, Lil B? How you doing, bro?
Man, I'm grinding, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Talk your shit.
You already know what it is, man. It's your boy Fierro boy underscore 86. Hey, man. That rap on that Fierro, hey, man, you ain't gonna be able to touch that. I'm telling you, when I get ready to pull up, you're not gonna be able to touch it.
Man,
I'm
we
just
still
telling
ain't
you.
seen the Fierro.
Oh my God, why this man over here doing me like this? I'm in my own lane, bro.
We ain't
I got
seen-
all day.
We ain't seen the shell or nothing, has it,
Hey,
Stink?
man, I got all day.
I gotta keep it real with y'all.
Oh my
I
God.
done heard my bro talk about the Fierro.
Okay, but we talking about now, though.
I done heard my bro talk about. I done heard my bro talk about the Fierro.
I need to see you.
Big Rick.
I'm telling you.
I ain't seen no Fierro.
Hey, man. Hey, come on, man. Y'all
You
already
seen
know.
it. I haven't seen
I got pictures of the car. His car on my phone.
Yeah, come on, man. We up out here, man. Hey,
it. What a picture at right now.
Fierro gang in the building.
They say, you know, I got millions of pictures. They been dig good about it.
How we know it was his car? How we know he just wasn't standing by nobody's shit? How we know he just wasn't standing by it, Big Red?
And he won.
Thank you. First place award, sir.
First place award.
See,
Come on.
you lucky my uncle voucher
He
for you.
won.
Where's that right now, though?
I ain't gonna lie, boy.
Show me a sneak peek. Let me see it.
Why?
Just let me see a little
Why?
part of the
Why?
car right now.
Why? When I get ready to pull it out, you gonna vlog it up. You gonna get 1 million subs out there. I promise.
Get $1 million off
You
the
gonna get $1
Fiero.
million off of it too. Why?
That's
Yeah.
So where you gonna be at? 10 million?
and we both getting $1 million. How many you getting up your own shit?
Because I'm in my own lane, man. You already know.
His old lady, yo.
In my own lane, son. This right is how I roll, man. You know what I'm saying?
Let me get the Hellcat killer for one day. My subscribers gonna shoot through the roof.
That gonna be a 12,000
tomorrow
subscribers.
morning.
Yeah.
Hey, I need to go stand by his shit. Like, yeah, I just took, just take a delivery.
Gave a little beat of scat. I'm about to be a Hellcat.
Yeah, that's how I should, huh? Just gave Lil B my scat, and I just bought this Hellcat.
Yeah.
100,000 views.
Yeah, indeed.
100,000 views. But they gonna be on your ass.
They gonna be on my ass.
Where the Hellcat at, Spank?
But hold up, hold up,
I'm getting it wrapped.
but hold up.
What's up?